This is the best channel for kids. We have all the best nursery rhymes and kids songs, including the hottest songs from our COCOmelon series. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon for new videos every week. Now let's sing along with JJ and friends in this special edition of COCOmelon Sing Along. The episode starts with everyone playing around the house. All of a sudden, JJ grabs the microphone and asks for everyone's attention. He wants to sing a song, but he can't remember what it's called. Yo, anyone know the name of that song? The only lyrics he remembers are both, clap your hands. Ho, I think I know that song. That's one of my favorites. Let's sing and dance to CECE'S BATH song together. Everyone gets excited when they hear their favorite song is going to be played. Tom can't wait to do the robot dance. He runs off screen to get his robot parts ready. While everyone else lines up to get ready to sing and dance, CECE comes over and tells them she has an idea. Instead of just singing and dancing, how about we play charades? Everyone loves that idea. The game is on. The first person to act out a song is Global. She pretends to be washing clothes by moving her hands like she's scrubbing and then holds up an imaginary shirt to dry. She looks at the group and says, "Clean clothes." Next, it's Tom's turn. He grabs the microphone and walks away as he pretends to drive a car. He makes vroom noises and pretends to steer a wheel. The other characters pretend to be passengers hanging on as Tom drives them around. When he finishes, he points to himself and proudly says, "Car song." It's Yo-Yo's turn now, but he doesn't want to participate. He'd rather watch everyone else. As he watches, he sees Cody doing jumping jacks. Yo-Yo goes, "Jack, jump rope," and begins skipping rope. Cody smiles and gives Yo-Yo a thumbs up. Cody is next, but he can't decide what song to pick. He takes a deep breath and chooses to act out a song about animals. He crawls on all fours and barks like a dog. Then he spreads his wings and flaps them like a bird. Last, he slithers on the ground like a snake and hisses at the others. Animal song. It's Bibi's turn, but she's really shy. She looks at the floor and can't think of any song. Suddenly, she remembers. She walks over to the piano and sings a little ditty while playing some notes. Piano, play this song. It's time for one more round. JJ is very happy it's his turn. He strikes a pose and sings. I'm a little airplane flying through the air. I go vroom, 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 vroom. He does flapping motions with his arms. Then he crashes to the ground and stops. Airplane crashed. What a silly song. The group laughs. Next, it's time for someone who didn't get a turn yet. Yo-Yo. He puts on a brave face, but he's still nervous. He looks at the group and tries to smile. He wants to make everyone happy. Just then, he has a great idea. Why don't we all help him with his song? Thank you. That sounds like fun. Yo-Yo thinks about his favorite songs. He snaps his fingers and shouts, both, clap your hands. Everyone cheers because they know the both song. They all grab each other's hands and walk around in a circle. They stop and shout, clap your hands if you love to play. Clap your hands if you're having fun. Both, clap your hands. They take it easy at first, but quickly start clapping faster and faster. They spin round in circles as they continue to clap and shout. Both, clap your hands. Yo-Yo lets go of his friend's hands and walks in the middle of the circle. He watches them and smiles. He's so glad everyone is having fun. Once they finish the song, the group looks at Yo-Yo. He looks back and blushes. He was so scared he would forget the words, but everyone helped him and now he feels much better. They all give him hugs and tell him how proud they are of him. Yo-Yo giggles and thanks them. He was worried he'd be alone, but instead he had the best time. Suddenly, Cody remembers there's another song with the same tune. Can you guess which one? All the instruments play different notes. Hey, guess my instrument. Yu recognizes the song and says, "Oh yeah, I know that one." The group gathers round as they prepare to play the instruments. Hey, guess my instrument. Global plays the triangle. Tom bangs the cymbals, BB plays the xylophone, Yo shakes the maracas, and JJ strums the guitar. Everyone sings, hey, guess my instrument. Cody plays the drums, Tom switches to the bass drum, and Yo switches to the tambourine. Everyone sings, hey, guess my instrument. As the song ends, they take a bow. They did such a great job. Just then, CECE says, "Wait, I know another song with the same beat." She walks over to the piano and plays a few chords. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Everyone knows that song. They get into their seats. JJ takes the microphone and says, "The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. All aboard, chugga, chugga." He pretends to drive a train. The others pretend to be passengers waving out the window. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. As JJ moves his arms side to side, the others move their arms up and down. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut. Open, close, open, close. They mimic opening and closing a door. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down. Up high, low, up high, low, up high, low, up high, low, up high, low. They mimic riding up and down a roller coaster. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. They mimic a train whistle. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. They mimic a baby crying. The driver on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The driver on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. They mimic driving a car. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Everyone takes a bow. Wow, they look great in their bus conductor outfits. All of a sudden, the music changes and the characters are magically transported to the beach. The sun is shining and the waves are crashing on the shore. It's time to learn about the ocean. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sea, E-I-E-I-O. With a wave here and a wave there. Here a wave, there a wave everywhere. Waves, 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 waves. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Global points to herself and says, "I'm a little fish swimming in the sea." She swims back and forth as she pretends to be a fish. Glug, 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 glug. She opens her mouth wide as she gulps water. BB points to herself and sings, "I'm a starfish stuck on the shore." She holds her arms out like starfish legs. Stuck, 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 stuck. She looks at the sand as she wiggles her feet. Can't move, can't move, can't move, can't move, can't move, can't move. Tom pretends to be a crab hiding in his shell. Crab, crab, hide in my shell. Hide in my shell, 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 hide in my shell. He peeks out and winks before scurrying back into his shell. JJ pretends to be a shark swimming through the water. Chompy, chompy, bite your fin, 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 bite your fin. He chases Tom Tom as Tom Tom tries to escape. Cody pretends to be a surfer riding a big wave. Ho, ho, ride the wave, 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 ride the wave. He pretends to surf up and down. Yo-Yo pretends to be a seagull flying overhead. Flap, flap, fly in the sky. Fly in the sky, 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 fly in the sky. He pretends to dive for fish in the water. Splash, splash, catch my fish. Catch my fish, 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 catch my fish. After all their animal impressions, they gather round. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a C-E-I-E-I-O. With a wave here and a wave there. Here a wave, there a wave everywhere. Waves, 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 waves. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. They take a bow as they wave goodbye to the audience. And now, it's time for the final song of today. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. They all sit in a circle. If you're happy and you know it, tap your toes. If you're happy and you know it, tap your toes. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, tap your toes. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, wiggle your nose. If you're happy and you know it, wiggle your nose. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, wiggle your nose. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. They stand up and shout, we're happy, we're happy, we're happy, we're happy. They take a bow as the audience cheers. What a great day it's been. So many fun games and songs. The friends wave goodbye and promise to see everyone next time.